The Golf is the most successful European car for more than 4 decades. A new chapter in the history of this bestseller begins today, with the world premiere of the 8th Golf digitalized, connected, and intuitive to operate. Never before has a Golf been so progressive. With hybrid versions launched at the same time, it is electrifying the compact class. Its digital interior enables a new dimension of intuitive operation. Speeds of up to 130 miles per hour are possible with assisted driving. It is the first Volkswagen to use swarm intelligence from traffic via Car2X, meaning it can warn against hazards on an anticipatory basis. Its world premiere takes place in Wolfsburg, where the Golf was invented and where it has been built and refined for the last 45 years. The new Golf will be available on the market in December. The Golf 8's exterior features clean design with narrow LED headlights and a leaner front grille. The imposing bumper gives the Golf 8 more presence and now sits lower to the ground for a more responsive performance. The Golf 8 comes with LED headlights and integrated fog lights as standard. If you opt for the IQ Light Matrix LED lights, you'll also receive Dynamic Light Assist, which automatically adjusts brightness when it detects oncoming traffic. The Golf 8 is Volkswagen's first model to feature the ETSI engine with mild hybrid technology. ETSI uses a lithium-ion battery to help power the engine at low speeds and drastically reduce both fuel consumption and emissions. The battery is recharged using energy from braking and coasting. The drive options for the new Golf also include a petrol TSI, diesel TDI, and natural gas drive TGI. The Golf 8 features Volkswagen's most advanced connectivity and driver assistance systems. The Car2X communicates wirelessly with other Car2X-enabled vehicles on the road to provide you with the most up-to-date traffic information. When you're stuck in heavy traffic, it uses the information it receives to detect when the end of the jam is coming up and readies the car's adaptive cruise control. The Golf 8 comes with a wide range of driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and park assist, which tells you if a space is large enough to fit into and then parks for you. It also comes with travel assist, which not only keeps you in your lane, but can automate acceleration and braking to make driving in heavy traffic less tiring. Over the course of 7 generations, the Golf has impressed more than 35 million customers. The entire automobile industry expects a new Golf to set the standard, explained Dr. Herbert Diess, chairman of the board of management of Volkswagen AG. In terms of its technology, the Golf is making the greatest leap forward since its debut. The Golf 8 showcases Volkswagen's quality interior design at its finest. As soon as you ease into the adjustable driver's seat, you'll notice that thanks to the InnoVision cockpit, there are far fewer buttons to navigate on the dashboard. Choose the optional ambient lighting package and illuminate the interior from a selection of 32 colors. The InnoVision cockpit takes all of your settings and displays them clearly on the Discover system's 10-inch screen. From there you can easily adjust your driving position, air conditioning, radio, navigation and driver assistance systems. Set up your Volkswagen ID, and once you log in, the Golf 8 will remember your preferences. The head-up display projects your speedometer and adapted cruise control information straight onto the windshield. Sat-nav and media settings are displayed on the digital cockpit, a high-definition screen that sits right behind the steering wheel. Through the voice control you can select between radio stations, scroll through your address book, or change course on your sat-nav. You can even use voice commands to adjust the setting of the optional adaptive cruise control. Optional dynamic cruise control gives you 3 settings to choose from. Comfort for the smoothest ride, Sport for a firmer, more responsive drive, and Eco, which adjusts the car's configuration to save on fuel. It is a fact that the new Golf makes sustainable mobility accessible to many people. What's more, with this Golf, Volkswagen is moving to digitalized, self-explanatory operation. Klaus Biskhoff, head designer at Volkswagen. In a world where complexity is ever increasing, the new Golf allows the driver to operate the vehicle intuitively.